Reasonable day before we get a little damp, a little cool as we wrap up the work week. Most of us for the Wednesday today in the 60s and low 70s, so right around normal, if not a few degrees above normal for some for this time of year. It was a cool start though again today. Temperatures for most started off, we were in the 30s and 40s. We're going to be like that again tonight, maybe not quite as chilly in some spots as we've been, but still cool enough to probably have the heat on. So get ready to feel that chill again once the sun does go down. But for the next couple of hours or so, at least the next hour before the sun goes down, we look pretty clear, pretty nice. You can already see it kind of setting on our Burke's Garden camera. That's Virginia's highest valley for you, so behind those ridge lines, the sun sets pretty quickly. You get cooler there pretty quick. Most of us right now still holding out in the 60s, but again, we'll drop into the 40s for most again tonight. Here comes the cold front I mentioned. It's moving in tomorrow. Out ahead of this front, we're just going to see a lot of cloud cover build in through the morning, with occasional light scattered showers throughout the day. It does not look like a washout. Could have some heavier rounds of rain though, wider spread rain too, late tomorrow night, possibly through early Friday. Now we start to dry out on Friday and into the first part of the weekend, but while we've got this kind of wraparound flow, this wraparound moisture, we're still going to be a little drizzly, a little cool at times as we wrap up the work week, but again, not really any heavy rain or severe weather to talk about, which is some good news. So again, to recap tonight, looking at Futurecast in a little bit more detail, we've got some clouds rolling through, but we should stay dry tonight, 40s, low 50s. Here come more clouds and some scattered showers, just on and off throughout the day tomorrow, 60s, low 70s, still mild tomorrow. And then the cooler air starts to wrap in as we head into Friday. So highs Friday will only be in the 50s. It's going to be significantly cooler once this front gets through here on Thursday. Again, the best chance of rain will be tomorrow and tomorrow night, and then the chance of rain will start to wind down. Could see some very isolated stray showers through the weekend, but for the weekend, for the most part, it looks dry. So to recap, again, temperatures tonight, most of us in the 40s, just a few patchy clouds out there. Still a good view of the moon tonight. The Hunter's moon still full. It actually peaks in fullness tonight, so it's a good time to get some pictures. If you get any pictures of the Hunter's moon, of course it's named after this time of year when we're starting to harvest the meat for the winter. Make sure you send those pictures in. We love to get them. weather@wvva.com. You can also post them on social media. Tomorrow, again, we're warm, but we're not exactly dry. We're going to see a lot of cloud cover, some occasional showers, and then the front starts to pull out of the area. We'll get cooler air behind it. So Friday looking a little cool. Most of us in the 50s, and we'll stay that way Saturday too with a spotty shower or two around, but really, again, far from a washout. Next week looking to be seasonable, cooler some days than others, but overall nice fall weather we've had recently.
Yeah,
that is for sure.
It's been crystal clear and the leaves are beautiful outside too.
And you know, fall is the time for homecoming, and over in Tazewell County, a very special homecoming underway in Bluefield, Virginia. Bluefield University is going to be holding events for their homecoming weekend this weekend.
That's right, Martin.